You are here to discover the latest marvel of the technology world, and today's phone is the Xiaomi 14T Pro. This phone has incredible features that will amaze not only technology enthusiasts but also everyday users. In this video, we will not only talk about the details of Xiaomi flagship device but also compare it with other powerful flagships. Get ready, because this video might change your perspective on technology. Before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Your support truly makes a huge difference. Let's get started. The device showcases both elegance and durability in its design. Thanks to its IP68 certification, the device is completely resistant to water and dust. So, whether at work or on vacation, you can use this phone comfortably anywhere. The display is a leader in its class. With a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, 144 Hz refresh rate, and 4000 nits brightness level, it offers an astonishing visual experience. The brightness is so high that you will see every detail perfectly even in sunlight. The eye-powered display automatically optimizes the content displayed, ensuring the true color tones of games, movies, and photos are perfectly reflected. In short, the Xiaomi flagship model is not just a phone, it's a cinema in your hands. In terms of performance, the 14T Pro truly demonstrates power. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, this device will not disappoint you, whether in heavy games or multitasking. With 12 GB and 16 GB RAM options, as well as up to 1 TB of internal storage, this phone meets all your speed and storage needs. The AI processor automatically optimizes every operation, ensuring faster and more efficient performance. How does it compare to other flagships on the market? For example, when placed next to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Xiaomi 14T Pro generates less heat during gaming and is more energy efficient. If you are looking for high performance, this device could be the perfect choice for you. Additionally, when compared to the iPhone 16 Pro, the device offers broader AI capabilities. The iPhone 16 Pro's iOS system may be superior in terms of ease of use, but the Xiaomi HyperOS system offers more personalized optimizations. Let's take a look at the camera, because the flagship model is one of the leaders in this area. The camera system, developed in collaboration with Leica, turns even your simplest photos into works of art. The main camera has a resolution of 50 megapixels and delivers high-quality photos in every condition, especially in low-light environments. The other cameras are equally powerful. With a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 50 megapixels telephoto lens, you can capture every shot the way you want. The impact of Leica lenses is immediately noticeable in your photos, colors are more vivid, and details are more precise. The camera system, supported by AI, automatically optimizes every photo, even creating content in professional modes. When it comes to video recording, the device allows you to capture movements delicately with its 8K video support. Whether for professional or everyday use, the Xiaomi flagship device's camera will fully satisfy you. Compared to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, Xiaomi presents color tones more naturally, which is a feature many prefer. A long-lasting battery is essential for every user, and the will amaze you in this regard. Its 5000 mAh battery won't let you down throughout the day. More importantly, with 120W fast charging technology, you can fully charge the battery in just 19 minutes. Additionally, the device supports 50W wireless charging. The device comes with the HyperOS operating system. This is Xiaomi's new operating system based on Android 14. It is faster, user-friendly, and energy efficient. AI capabilities are also evident in HyperOS. The system learns your usage habits and optimizes processor performance. And now we come to the most important point, the price. The starting price of the Xiaomi 14T Pro is approximately $649. Considering the features this device offers, it is one of the most affordable flagships on the market. With high performance, an amazing display, and incredible camera quality, this price is truly remarkable. The Xiaomi 14T Pro with its design, power, and camera eye is the pinnacle of modern technology. What are your thoughts? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy this analysis, check out our next video for more in-depth insights. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay ahead with the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.